Oh, so you're a security guard at NIS?
Yes, I'm a security officer here.
Oh.
So the one who made this by yourself?
I did this for the scratch by myself.
I recently attended the Agriculture and Commercial Show in Lusaka, Zambia, and I witnessed some quite fascinating exhibits. But this was the most interesting by far. What you're seeing here is a prototype drone made by this man, Mr. Steven Chiwanza, who is the head of security at the National Institute for Science and Industrial Research right here in Zambia. Hope you don't look like this girl while watching my video. If you do, you owe me a sub. Moving on. You might be wondering why Mr. Steven decided to undertake such an intricate task like this. Well, his drive comes from his love and passion for aviation. As he puts it himself,
In childhood, I've been dreaming of flying. In 2020, I said, this dream is coming too strong to me. Let me put it into practice.
Okay.
And then I began to buy components one by one.
equipped with a solar panel, the drone is going to be all electric.
Because everyone cares about the environment all of a sudden.
It even has controls and everything. It even seems to run on Android. Take that, iPhone users. The drone can accommodate a single pilot, however, it can also be flown remotely, hence the camera. Mr. Chiwanza intends the drone to be used in surveillance, in transport, and in whatever practical application you can think of. Or if you're like me, I would like to take it for a spin just for fun. Mr. Chiwanza is calling for expert collaboration to help make his dream a reality. Who knows? Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.